How about the 1923 Model T Runabout? Black over black, frame-off restoration at where? Richard Petty's garage.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. How
that's
cool.
Provenance.
Yeah.
Ooh. Sorry, there's cars passing in the front here.
I know,
Very
easily distracted. Like a
squirrel.
Need a rodeo clown in here. It's distracting. 177 cubic inch L head 4-cylinder on this Model T Runabout. It really was done by Petty's Garage.
Yeah.
Stunning black on black. It's a great fun driver. Got the 2-speed planetary transmission, which I never can figure out, but they're a little weird and complex.
Yep.
Pedals.
I don't know.
So.